matter that much that you can't tell me?
She's gonna go watch porn, Hayden.
Where are you going?
To watch porn.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Can you buy me something?
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Is that video?
Yep. Ow.
Alright, go. I'm going.
Yeah, it hurts. Playing some ice hockey with ice, no sticks on our feet. It's kind of like soccer, really.